In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. We'll walk through the process step by step in a way that's clear and easy to follow, so you can confidently move your PC to Windows 11 without losing your files. Before you start, it's a good idea to back up anything important, like documents, photos, and project files, to an external drive or a trusted cloud service. While the upgrade usually keeps your files and apps, having a backup gives you peace of mind in case something unexpected happens. First, let's quickly confirm that your computer is ready for Windows 11. Windows 11 has specific system requirements, including a compatible processor, enough RAM and storage, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. The easiest way to check this is by using Microsoft's PC Health Check app. You can download it from Microsoft's official website, install it, then run the compatibility check. If your device meets the requirements, you'll see a message saying it can run Windows 11. If not, the app will tell you what's missing, so you understand your options before going further. Once you know your PC is compatible, make sure you're up to date on Windows 10. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Windows Update. Select Check for Updates and install any important updates that are available. When those are done, restart your computer if you're prompted to. Now, it's time to look for the Windows 11 upgrade. Go back to Settings, then Windows Update. If your device is eligible, you should see an option to upgrade to Windows 11. There will usually be a banner or message offering the upgrade. Click on it to review the details, then choose to download and install. The download might take some time depending on your internet connection. While it's downloading, keep your computer plugged in and avoid shutting it down. After the download and initial preparation are complete, you'll be prompted to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions, agree to the license terms, and confirm that you want to keep your personal files and apps. Your PC will restart several times during the upgrade. This is normal, so don't interrupt it. When it's finished, you'll be guided through a few basic setup options, like privacy settings. Once you reach the Windows 11 desktop, take a moment to open your usual apps and files to confirm everything is there and working. That's the full process of upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 in a safe and straightforward way.